Step 1. Locate an empty parking space. Step 2. Position your vehicle so your shoulder aligns with the center of the second parking spot. Step 3. Shift into reverse and turn the steering wheel fully to the right. Step 4. As your car begins to enter the space, straighten the steering wheel. Step 5. Use your side mirrors to guide you as you continue reversing straight into the spot. Step 6. Once fully parked, shift the vehicle into park